Getting stuck on a repair job causes backups in the shop and expensive downtime for fleets. Avoid these instances with TaaS, Noregon's Technician as a Service program. TaaS gives your technicians unlimited remote support from top mechanics in the industry. So whether it's a confusing diagnosis or a tricky repair procedure, our experts are standing by to help you solve the problem, even with symptom-based issues when no fault is present, so you can get trucks out of the shop and onto the road. Ready to experience the benefits of TaaS in your shop? Give us a call today to schedule a demo or add TaaS to your J-Pro subscription.